Welcome everyone. Welcome to the Spin Tangle. I am here with a new problem from MIT. Okay, this problem is from MIT. This is a problem of MIT entrance examination. In the previous example, we have discussed problem regarding the angular momentum operator, and this problem is from directly spin concept of quantum mechanics. Spin from quantum mechanics. Okay. To solve it, first of all, I have to mention three things. These are called Pauli spin matrices. Pauli spin matrices. What are the spin matrices? These are the 2 by 2 matrices for spin half particles. Spin half, mainly we are taking the spin half problem. Spin half particles, say electron or electron. The matrices are Sx is equals to h cut upon 2 0 1 1 0. Sy is equals to h cut upon 2 0 minus I 0, and Sz equals to h cut upon 2 1 0 0 minus 1. Now read the question. The question says that the spin functions for a free electron in a basis where Sz is diagonal can be written as 1 0 and 0 1 with eigenvalues of Sz. Okay, with eigenvalues of Sz operator. We know what Sz operator. This is the Sz operator. Okay, there will be a 1. There will be a 1. Which is saying there will be a 1. Let me write it. Minus 1. Okay. This is the Sz operator. Being plus half. Okay, the spin function for a free electron in a basis where Sz is diagonal can be written as 1 0 and 0 1 with eigenvalues of Sz being plus half and minus half. Using these bases, which are the bases? Here the bases are 1 0 0 1. These are the bases. Using these bases, find a normalized eigenfunction of Sy with eigenvalue minus half. Eigenfunction of Sy. What is Sy? Here Sy is h cut upon 2 0 minus I 0. This is Sy. Okay. You can multiply this h cut by 2 inside this matrix. Okay. Okay. We have the required eigenfunction. Say the required eigenfunction as, say the required eigenfunction as say it is Sy, a symbol say minus, is equals to A and B. Okay. Now what happened if Sy operated on Sy, this is a cat symbol. Okay, please give a cat symbol. Sy operated on a Sy cat, then it gives a eigenvalue. What is mentioned in the question? It is mentioned in the question that the required eigenvalue is minus half. We need the eigenvalue is minus half, not the plus half eigenvalue. Okay, minus half. Then if Sy operator is operated on Sy minus ket, this is the state or wave. Okay, this is the state, and this one is the operator. If Sy operator is operated on the state Sy minus, it will give the minus half as a result or eigenvalue. This is what? This is eigenvalue. And the state will return. The state will return. What is the state? Sy minus. Okay, this is fine. Here they have taken, here they have taken, for simplicity they have taken h cut is equals to 1. Okay, h cut is not equals to 1, but they have taken for simplicity. Okay, this means now put what is sy. Let me change the ink. Let me change the ink. What is sy? Sy is h cut upon 2, 0 minus I 0, a b. AB is what? This is AB. The state is AB, and SY is what? SY is the operator, and is equals to minus half AB. Okay, just wait for a while. Just wait for a while. Okay, minus half and AB. This is the eigenvalue equation. This is what? This is the eigenvalue equation. Okay, this is the eigenvalue equation that you will operate sy operator on the state sy minus. You will get minus half as a result, and the state will return back. Okay, now solving this equation, this is, oh, where this is h cut. H cut, you can take h cut as half. Okay, h cut as half. H cut by 2 is 2 as half, because h cut is taken 1 for simplicity. I have told it earlier. Okay, what will be 0 minus I 0. Here a and b. Now this is a simple matrix problem. I think you all familiar with matrix, how to solve matrices. Okay, now this half can be this half and this half will be omitted. Okay, and the problem becomes very simple. 0 minus I 0 a b is equals to minus a and b. This is the problem. Okay, now from this, what we can obtain? We can obtain from matrix multiplication formula. From matrix multiplication, this row will be will be multiplied by this factor. What will be there in this case? What will be there? 0 into a plus minus I into b is equals to what? This gives the first term. This gives the first term. Okay, what is the first term? A, and a negative sign in the in the first. Okay, then what has come? IB is equals to a. This is a one relation. IB equals to a. This is one relation. This is relation 1. Okay, in the very second row, this row will be multiplied on this column, because this is the single column. Okay, column, and this will be related as minus b. What happened? I into a plus 0 into b is equals to minus b. This means IA equals to minus b. Okay, this gives us that we can write this formula as, we can write the sy minus as AB. We know what AB is. Put IB in the place of A. IB. Put IB. Okay. And in the place of B, put B. Okay, B. What will happen? you can take common b, and here will be an I and 1. I think this is the familiar way by which we solve eigenvector problems. I think you all can obtain eigenvector, how to find out eigenvectors from a given eigenvalue, is it? From the characteristic equation, from the eigenvalue equation, so from the eigenvalue equation, that an operator operate on a wave and it gives a wave function, then the wave function back. Okay, you can, I think you are familiar with this. Okay, this is what this is. This is the state. Now what the state is? The state becomes, let me write it, sy minus, this is the state, is equals to b into I into 1. Okay, this is the state. Now this one is the factor, this one is the factor, this is unknown multiplier. Okay, this is unknown multiplier, not multiplier, this is unknown multiplier. Okay, we have to remove this. How to remove this? By using normalization condition. We know normalization condition, that bra sy minus get sy minus, this becomes what? From this you can write bra sy minus as follows, that b, and the row matrix will become column matrix by giving I as minus I and 1 and 1. Okay, this becomes b times minus I into 1 into b times I and 1. How to solve this? I have normal multiplication, matrix multiplication. This means b square. This will be, this I will be over this I. This will become, this I will be this I. This will become I square minus I square plus 1. Minus I square means 1. 2b square. This will be 2b square. I think so. Minus I square means 1 and the conventional 1. Okay. This means 2b square. And this side will be what? This side is normalization. This side is normalization. Normalization means 1. This means b square is what? 1 by 2. This means b is equals to what? 1 by root 2. Or you can write it as follows, 1 by root 2. Okay. Then the state becomes normalized. Therefore, the normalized wave function will be, normalized wave function will be sy minus, this was given as b times I 1, and we know the value of b is 1 by root 2, I and 1. Okay, this is the final state. Okay, this is the required state. Actually, this is the required state. This. Okay, fine. That's all. Okay, thank you.